Alright, welcome to this rousing edition of Going to the Konbini Late at Night Blizzard Thunder Snow Edition. Now I'm going to prepare for this by putting on this hat. I think I'm ready for thunder snow. What do you guys think? I'm actually out of food and out of snackies, and I feel like whatever. I'm out of food, I'm out of snackies, and I need to go to the Konbini late at night when there's snow. All right, let's go. I got some new boots for this. Okay, it looks like it actually stopped snowing completely. Wow. It's still windy, that's the thing. So, going to the Konbini is gonna be easy. Avoiding ice is gonna be tough. And my initial plan actually for this snow was I was going to go down to Kamakura and, oh god, ice fell, and check out the Hachiman Shrine in the snow, but the Yokosuka line's been out of service for a good while because of the snow and fallen trees and stuff, so that can't happen. Alright, now I'm a little concerned about these power lines above me now that there's no snow falling, but there's still snow on them. And earlier when I was walking home, I got hit by some ice too, so that wasn't fun. At least I had an umbrella up at that time. Just kind of slopping my way through here. Not the easiest walk to the Konbini, is it now? Okay, oh god. Oh god. Okay, maybe I should just stand in the middle of the road. Probably not the safest thing to do, but I don't see any cars coming. And also the road doesn't have any snow on it. Whoa, 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 something fell behind me. I think it's raining now down here. Yeah, it actually is. It's raining, you know, so, oh my god. Okay. Well, that makes it worse because the rain may freeze. Earlier we had thunder snow down here, like significant, like lightning and thunder. Alright, well, the first significant snow that we've had here in the Kanto region, I think since 2018. And it's a doozy. Alright. Well, the parking lot of the Lawsons is a little bit crowded, but they're open. They have electricity, so let's get something warm and get out of here. There we go. Alright. People are just leading their lives in here in the snow. Oh, they have Kaigun curry. Interesting. So you know you're down here in Yokosuka. Yep, here you go. Launa Kaigun curry. Huh. They serve curry in the ships. Koo nuts. Not quite sure what you are. Irony in snack form. Since it's snowing, I got myself some white Alfords. You guys ever tried this before? Iyoshi Cola? It's pretty good. Not really sure where it's from. I thought it was Iyoshi as in like in Kagawa-ken, but I think it's from somewhere else. Nope, it's named after somebody. Never mind. Never mind, it's just named after this guy here in the can. This guy trying to park? No, well, it's back to snowing again. I got some tea. This tea is most likely going to be really cold by the time I get home. I can tell it's back to snowing again because my head isn't getting clobbered by a bunch of ice. It's just, whoa! Jeez, it landed right in front of me. That landed behind me. Alright, one of these is going to hit me in the face, isn't it? I could tell. Oh, I hear a car coming. Means I definitely can't stand in the middle, but there's two guys walking down here on the other side of the road. There's one guy. I don't see anybody coming out of the Love Hotel right there behind me. Where's that car? Oh, he stopped. Okay. Oh wait, never mind. There's someone walking actually to the Love Hotel. Okay, this is safer over here, probably. I mean, there's a car, but he's gonna go this lane here. Yeah. Just don't spin out and run me over, buddy. Thanks, buddy. And as long as there's no car coming this direction, I think I'm okay. Man, this is trippy. It's trippy because, like, I still, like, when I got back in November, I remember, or from America, you guys remember I was walking around just in a t-shirt. That doesn't feel like it was that long ago. And now I'm just like, blizzard. But I mean, it's February now, so I guess it was a while ago, but still, it doesn't feel like it was that long ago. But simultaneously, January felt like it lasted forever. You know what I mean? I don't know, you might not know what I mean. This has got a lot of snow on it. It looks pretty cool. The buses are running. It's not down my neighborhood. And there's nobody in that bus. All right, well, thank you for joining me in this enrapturing episode of going to the Konbini late at night. This was a cold one. And I will see you guys in the next edition of going to the Konbini late at night. Hopefully when I'm not getting thunder snowed upon.